So I'm at Berowra Heights today for a customer who's gone over to NBN about 2 years ago, and they've been getting constant dropout issues. At the moment, you can see here, it's just dropped out again. It's just trying to resync again now, but I've got my DSL tester connected directly to the leading cable. I've just extended the leading cable in the first blue-white pair. Now that conduit runs up a really long driveway. What's it, about 50 metres a driveway? About 50 metres. And then I've got the internal pair here. You can see it's connected to the lines test set number 2. And I've got that on the mega ohms range between A and B, and that's within specifications. And then between the earth, which I've got the earthing one on as well, everything's fine on the internal cable side. Now we're still waiting for this to reconnect, so we're getting dropouts on the network side. Now even when I, with a F-set, if you put an F-set on and there's a short circuit across the pairs, you'll get a tone. And I'll just put that on to show you we're getting a tone on that. So I've connected the F-set up, and as you can hear, you've got the short circuit tone coming on that, and that's connected directly to the leading cable. So there's some sort of issue either with the leading cable or back out in the network, because the customer's they're getting about 45 megabits a second download and 20 to upload. So it's working, but it's dropping out about 20 times a day. So there's nothing wrong with the internal cabling, and as you can see and hear, there's some sort of issue on the network side. So this has got to go back to the ISP, which is Optus. Is it Optus? Yep.
Yes.
And Optus is going to have to come and send a technician out to come and have a look at this, because I'm pretty sure it's going to be a leading cable issue. So I thought, just out of curiosity, I'd pop the lid of the pit out the front here. As you can see, a bit of Telstra's fine work here. So could have something to do with this cabling, not too sure.